How to change the default phone dialer app on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone or any of the other Note 13 phones. This is a Chinese phone with global ROM Android 14 HyperOS. With HyperOS, you'll want to use a quick panel access and look for the settings toggle this right here. Once you tap on that there, you'll want to go down to the part that says apps. So go down until you see apps, APPS right there. And as you enter here, you'll see this section right there. And at the top right, you'll see the three dots. From here now, you want to go to other settings and you'll see default apps. As you enter here now, you'll be taken to all these different default app settings and you'll go to the part that says dial. All right. So if you have a Chinese model, you'll most likely have this one here, the context and dialer one here, which is your default one, and it comes with the phone recorder, which is pretty cool. But if you want something different, like the Google phone dialer itself, you can just simply switch to it and that will become your default dialer. You can change these at any given time, like it's up.